Hey guys, I'm Darna, and today I'll be talking about what is science. So the topics to cover in this video are, I'm going to first talk a little bit about science, then what is science, types of science, the scientific method, and who created science. What is science and what are some types of science? Science is the way the world works. It's things that we discovered in the past, things that we're discovering now, and things that we'll discover in the future. Science is derived from a Latin word meaning knowledge. So there are so many types of science, like physics, astronomy, chemistry, zoology, botany, genetics, physics, and many more. Science is divided into three main parts: life science, meaning studying about living things; earth science, meaning studying about the earth and space; physical science means studying about energy and matter. Science changes a lot and has to be modified sometimes throughout time. For example, a light bulb. It has changed so much since it was first created. In order to test something new in science, scientists usually use the scientific method. So what is the scientific method? The scientific method is divided into 6 common steps. State the problem, gather information, form a hypothesis, test the hypothesis, analyze data, and draw conclusions. Draw conclusions is separated into two different parts: if the hypothesis is right and if the hypothesis is wrong. If the hypothesis is right, then you have to go back to the step of test the hypothesis and repeat this several times and see if you get the same result. If the hypothesis is wrong, then you have to go back to the step of form a hypothesis and remake or modify your hypothesis. So who created science? No one knows who created science, but science doesn't always have to be explosions and reactions. It can just simply be staring at the sky or writing something down. But we do know the creator of modern science is Galileo. There are many great scientists. For example, Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Marie Curie, and many more. Final summary about science. There are so many things to discover in science, and every time you study science, you learn something new. Science is the key to discover beyond the knowledge that we already know. It's what we can use to discover things about the past, the present, and the future. And of course, there's millions of questions to ask in science. In my YouTube video, I'll be answering some of those. Thank you so much for watching. This is made by Study Easy Peasy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a like, and keep discovering.